Hello everyone and welcome to my voice studio. Today we are going to conclude our second part of vocal routines. In the first part we were working with warming up routines. In this second part we have been working with exercises that will help the singer to find that placement that all singers must understand and find to sing effortlessly and to sing with freedom. And those placements that the singers are looking for are located here in our face area, the oral cavity and the nasal cavity. We have been talking about in all the videos that I have been uploading on YouTube before. So today we are going to work with three syllables, the syllable me, me, and ma. Why do we need to work with those vowels? Vowel E, vowel E, and vowel A, because those vowels are closer to what Italians call the mascara, and it's this part of your face right here. So when we are singing these three vowels plus the syllable M, we are finding those resonant cavities more easily. So what we're going to do today is to sing those three syllables. We are going from top to bottom. And we're going to do this. Me, me, ma, me, me, ma. Now we're going to sing this a little bit fast, not that faster like the last video we were working on, but we are going to sing kind of fast. And again, we need to relax all the muscles in our chin right here so we can open the mouth without any effort. Also, we need to relax the muscles right here on your throat and on your chest. And we achieve that when we are using the proper breathing technique and support. So we need to think about taking a deep breathing, and we need to think about that each vowel is made in the same place where the M is. Me, me, ma. Okay? So I'm going to show you how this should be performed. Me, me, ma, me, me, ma. 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 So it should sound something like that. Now remember, in this second set of vocal routines, you don't need to try to sing loud and you don't need to try to make this beautiful sound. Everything is focused in finding that placement that we have been looking for in all the videos. Okay, so let's start with the girls. Now remember that we need to go up as much as you can, but without forcing your voice. Same thing when we are going down on your range. Do not force at all. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, and me, me, ma, me, me, ma. Okay, that's the routine for the girls. And now for the gentlemen, we are going here. And remember, for the gentlemen, for the guys, if your voice breaks and go to falsetto, just let it go. Don't try to control your voice. Let your voice show you where it wants to go. Once we understand that, later on we are going to create a routine where you can try to mix that head voice with your chest voice and try to make that sound more equal through the whole range. But for right now, if your voice breaks and goes into falsetto, just let it go. Don't worry about it. Okay, for the guys. 1, 2, 3, and so that's the routine for today. With this video, we are finishing the second part of vocal routines. Now on the third part of vocal routines, we are going to add the vowel O and the vowel U, okay, those sounds. But for now, this is the exercise, and with this we are finishing our second part of vocal routines. So I hope you like the video. If you have any comments, any questions, feel free to post them below the video. Remember that you can follow me on Facebook, facebook.com/the online voice studio. And remember also that I offer voice lessons on Skype, and my Skype ID is DivaPhoenix39. You can find me there every Saturday. Consultations are free, but the lessons you have to pay for. So if you're interested in taking voice lessons with me, you can find me on Saturdays, and I will give you a free consultation. And in the consultation, I will let you know how the payment is done, how much it is, and any other questions that you have, I will be more than happy to answer them. Okay, so that's all for today. See you next time. Happy singing, and bye-bye.